Hello guys, how are you? Hope you will be fine. Today I'm going to explain how you can contact with Amazon if you face any issue regarding your book, regarding your book status. You can contact easily with them. Here is the video you can contact with them. So you have to click on this help. This way you can do a live chat with Amazon. So you can tell their problem directly to them. And after this you have to scroll down, you have to go to contact us. And here you have to discuss about your the issue that you are I'm going to explain this one. So any issue you can discuss with them. I need him. You can add chat with them. You can call them. I recommend you to do a live chat with them. In this way you can easily tell them your issues and they will solve it directly in the meanwhile. Thank you so much. If you like my video, kindly like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.